Little ponies can do big things. I believe that most ponies, like yourselves, understand that on a train journey, great adventure may never be far away, and after the sound of a train whistle has vanished, its romance will be safe in every pony heart, whatever the age, whatever the time. Hello, I'm Spike the Dragon, and I'm going to tell you a story about trains, ponies who are far apart, and another magic road that brought them together as they were meant to be. Every story, like a railroad, has its heroes. Meet Thomas, he's our number one hero.
Hello.
And this is where he lives, the island of Sodor. And I bet you're wondering, how did Thomas come to Equestria? Well, you're about to find out how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
He's about to get a bump of his
12,
life.
13, 14. Good gracious!
Oh, Gordon. I thought you knew how to couple up the coaches smoothly.
Thomas!
Anyways, practicing numbers again, I see?
I said it once, I'll say it again. I've been counting how many seconds late you were, and do I need to remind you of the sign again?
Let me see. Oh yes, that sign. Northwestern Railway, really reliable and right on time, signed head of the railway, the Fat Controller.
And that's why that sign is there, to remind you to be on time.
And you don't need to remind me of everything, Gordon.
I shall remind you whenever I want.
Now please excuse me, I have to meet Twilight Sparkle. She's going to visit us while the Fat Controller takes a very important trip to the mainland.
Oh, I'd be honored if I were to go and pick up Her Majesty herself.
Yeah, sorry Gordon, but I was told to pick her up, not you.
Oh, the indignity.
Get out of my way! I'm back and better than ever! Ha 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 ha!
He's back!
And we all have to be very careful. Make sure Diesel 10 doesn't do any more damage.
I suppose you're right, Thomas, and pick up Twilight while you can. On time, too. And just like Shine Time, we go over a wide ocean and find ourselves in the land of Equestria. And over a Canterlot Mountain, and hidden deep in a valley, is my hometown, Ponyville.
Equestria, 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 here in our land. Every pony knows how to celebrate the magic of Equestria. Equestria,
If Diesel 10's back, then I'm sure he's up to no good.
Shunting in the quarry is hard.
Hey, Percy, what are you doing?
Hi, Thomas. Sir Topham Hatt wanted me to shunt these trucks around.
Allow me to help you.
Oh, thank you, Thomas. That would be nice.
And also, Percy, someone came back this morning.
Who's back?
Diesel 10.
Diesel 10?
Yes, Percy. I don't know what he's doing right now, but I'm sure it's nothing special.
Hello, puffballs! Remember me?
No.
Now listen here, puffballs. You know I'm back after I got recovered from that barge, but this isn't over. If you have one magic railway, then you perhaps have another one here on Sodor. And once I destroy you, I'll destroy all the buffers on Sodor to complete my revenge. Right, Pinchy?
You won't get away with this, Diesel 10. Neither will Twilight. I'm gonna fetch her now.
Another magic railway?